What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you? He got mad?
No, not really. But he laughed.
And what happened after?
And the police man would like stop and
So it was like the first time.
Yes, when we are in canteen.
Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. In today's video, we're gonna have a little fun and interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, what's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you? Well, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you?
When I was in the Manila. I think I was grade 6 that time, and then we're going home na here sa Bicol, and that time I was going to poop. And I go to CR, and then after I poop, I didn't notice na there's no bidet. So what I did is I go out, but I didn't wash pa. So I called my papa, and then he has the plastic bottle, and then I go to
Bathroom?
yes, and then I just use the plastic bottle, and then I fill water, and then yun yung
That's what you
yeah,
Okay.
that thing what I was used.
I thought it was when I grabbed someone. I thought my friend.
Mm. When was it?
Like when I was first year college.
Do you usually happen it to you?
No.
No. So it was like the first time.
Yes, when we are in canteen
Mm.
with my friends, then I grab someone I don't know.
And what did the person reaction? What's the person's reaction?
She was shocked.
My most embarrassing moment, I think, when here in Plaza, when I trip and there's so many people that saw me. Yeah, that's my most embarrassing moment. My heels got broken at SM here at Naga City. Yeah.
Does it usually happen to you?
No, only once that time. Yeah.
Time. And a lot of people saw you, right?
Yeah.
And are they like laughing at you or
I
something?
know. My friend helped me, and he bought what do you call that, the glue, the glue, and he also bought sleepers at SM.
That's very nice of him. Okay. How about you, sir?
I put my arms around my teacher's shoulder, thinking that he was a classmate of mine because his height was like 5 flat. I walked with him towards the room, and then I asked him, pare, dito ba yung room? Then he laughed and said, I'm your teacher. Don't you know that? That was so embarrassing because he turned out to be our araling panlipunan teacher.
He got mad?
No, not really. But he laughed.
How was your grade after that?
It's not bad. Maybe like 85.
Okay. You're a couple, right?
Sort of.
They're not sure. Oh
jaywalking on street, Naga Street.
no. Here in Naga.
Mm.
And what happened after?
And the police man would like stop and go there.
So it's like very embarrassing, right? Is there people like watching you?
Yeah, because
Not
the
many.
people were like crossing the other street and I'm all alone.
Oh, I see. And how about you, sir?
I don't remember any
You don't remember anything.
embarrassing. Maybe this interview.
It's because a lot of people are watching us.
A lot of people are gonna be watching this. See.
The most embarrassing thing that happened to me is when I ride the jeepney because I'm going home after school. So I'm so exhausted because we have a lot of quiz and return demonstration in our class. So I'm really tired and sleepy because I stayed up all night to review for our exams. So when I sit down on the jeepney, and then there's a window, so since I'm sleepy, my head is like moving like that. Tapos, and then when the driver suddenly stop, uh yung yung katabi ko po, the man that's sitting beside me, but I was like this. Tapos po nauntog yung ulo ko. My head bumped dun po sa metal near the driver's seat. So yeah, tapos yes po. Tapos all the passengers were looking at me. I was like,
Are they laughing?
yes, yes, yes.
Oh my
I think
goodness.
they're wondering what happened to me. So
Okay. Does it usually happen to you, especially after of so many things from school?
yes po. Because I know I can sleep whenever I want or whatever I'm doing. So yeah.
Especially when you're tired?
Yes po.
Oh. I think next time that you will ride jeepney, you have to bring or wear a helmet. Right? Okay.
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Nursing po.
So you're gonna be a nurse. Wow. And what year are you now?
Second year.
You're very smart. I like you so much.
Tabangan mo ako. Siguro, pag okay lang tayo Tagalog. Taglish. Siguro, so pag maraming tao na napadapa ka, parang gano'n.
Like
Na-slide ka, or like that, slide, or natumba ka.
you
Out of
fall,
balance, yeah, out of balance.
you fall or you strip or you at balance like that in where there's a lot of people. That's like for her, the most embarrassing thing that happened to you. I'm just curious, are you still studying?
No na.
Oh, you're working. May we know what's your job?
Network marketing.
Network. That's very common here, right?
Yes.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single?
How long have you been single?
Almost 3 years.
Why are you single? She's very beautiful in person, like very pretty in her face. Why?
Standard. I have standard.
Oh, are you picky? What's your standards?
Ano? English ba to?
Yeah.
I think a guy with a big dream, something like that. And then as for me kasi, I have to choose a guy na with a financial and time freedom.
Are you a single child?
No.
So you have siblings?
Yes. We're
Okay.
4.
Oh, I see. Okay, so because of standards, that's why you're picky, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Salamat.
Welcome. Thank you so much.